Hey guys, welcome to our channel. And if you want to enhance your computer performance and increase the size of virtual memory or free up some space on virtual memory, then this video is for you. So you have to do is right click on your Windows icon here, and from here you can find the system option here. Simply click on system. When you are on system, you have to go to the about, or you can simply scroll all the way down at the very bottom here. You can find the about option here. Now when you are on about option, you can find advanced system settings, so you have to simply click on it. Now when you have on the system properties, the main thing is here in the advanced tab. You can find performance. Simply click on settings. Now here you can find the visual effects. So first thing you can find, this is the default setup. So you can find that Windows choose what's best for your computer. So it will be default. It will choose by default for from your Windows that best suit for your computer. Now you can do is you can adjust by yourself for best performance. So you have to simply select this third one here, and I prefer to select this one. Enable this use drop shadows for icons levels on the desktop that can enhance your background experience, and also smooth edges of screen fonts that can make the font soft. If you actually work for a long time, then the font, if you turn it off, then the font can be look like annoying. Then you can find that show thumbnails instead of icons. So sometimes if you have images more than on your file explorer, then it won't show only the icon. You can actually get a preview like a thumbnail of your image, what it is, or at the very collection page there. So you don't have to check one by one, click one and check and go another one. You don't need to do that. Now you can do is all of this. Now you can turn it off. You can make it turn off. Then you can go to the advanced, and here you can find procedure scheduling. So adjust for best performance of programs or background services. So I prefer you to let it remain lower programs, because we want best performance to current program, not background services. Now here is virtual memory, where you can find the total paging file size for all drives. So here you can see it. In my case, it is recommended to 2048. It actually up to your current memory, your current virtual memory, or the RAM that you are actually using. So you have to do is simply click on change, and when you have simply click on change here, so then you have to do is you can find this option here, automatically manage the paging file size for all drivers. So you have to do is simply click on this checkbox to uncheck this, and then you can find the recommended here for 49 and 62 megabyte, but currently allocated is 2048 megabytes. So if it's less than the recommendation, you have to make it actually like recommendation, or make it a little higher, like two times better, or you can go with the 3 times. It actually depends onto your free space that are available currently. You can see the currently available this size space on my C drive. So as much as free space you have on C drive, the better experience you will gain, and better performance, or the best performance you can experience on your computer. So make sure that you have free up your C drive, so make your computer's brain refreshed. Yes, the C drive is kind of a part of computer brain. So you have to do is simply go to this custom size, select this custom size, and here is initial size. Make it as the recommended, that 4962 megabyte. And now here is the maximum size, where you can select it 2 times. So I'm going to select it for 2 times here. Now for 2 times there is like around, let me show you that that will be like 12. I'm not that good at that much in math actually, so pardon me for that. And I probably think this is a multi of this initial size here. So you have to do is simply set it, simply click on set. After saying that, you have to simply click on set, And after set that, you have to simply click on OK, and here you can see the changes you have made required you to restart your computer before you can take effect. So simply click on OK, and you have to do is simply click on apply and OK. And when you have applied all of these settings, you have to simply restart your PC by simply click on this, and here you can find the restart option. Restart your PC and you will get the performance here. So that's how you can just simply do it. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.